Ever pondered what makes you instantly recognize a brand even from a distance? It's the power of brand identity, a mix of visual elements that work together to create an unforgettable impression. Today, delve into the fascinating world of brand identity and understand the crucial roles of logo design, color theory, typography, and imagery. Starting with the cornerstone of brand identity, logo design. A logo is more than just a pretty graphic. It's the face of a brand, a visual representation of its essence. A well-designed logo is memorable, distinctive, and communicates the brand's personality. Think of the apple with a bite taken out of it for Apple, or the simple, elegant swoosh of Nike. These logos serve as a visual shorthand for the brands they represent, summarizing their identity in a single, powerful image. Moving on to an equally compelling aspect of brand identity, color theory. Colors evoke emotions and influence perceptions. They can make a brand appear playful or serious, innovative or reliable, accessible or exclusive. A brand's color palette is a strategic choice that contributes to how the brand is perceived and remembered. Consider the vibrant red and yellow of McDonald's, or the calming blue of Facebook. These colors not only make these brands instantly recognizable, but also evoke specific emotions and associations. Next in line is typography. The fonts a brand uses are as important as what it says. Typography communicates the brand's personality and values. Typography is a powerful tool that can evoke different emotions and create a unique brand identity. A serif font might suggest tradition and reliability, while a sans serif font might convey modernity and innovation. A script font could express elegance and sophistication, while a hand-drawn font might signal creativity and individuality. The typography used by a brand is a crucial element in its visual identity, subtly shaping how consumers perceive and interact with the brand. Lastly, but certainly not least, is imagery. Consistent, high-quality images create a visual narrative that supports the brand's message and values. Be it photographs, illustrations, or icons, the imagery a brand uses should be cohesive and align with its overall visual identity. The right imagery can enhance a brand's identity, creating a visual consistency that strengthens the brand's presence across different platforms and touchpoints. In conclusion, a brand's identity is a potent blend of logo design, color theory, typography, and imagery. Each of these elements plays a critical role in shaping how a brand is perceived and remembered. They work together to create a coherent, distinctive brand identity that resonates with consumers, differentiates the brand from its competitors, and ultimately drives brand loyalty.